everyone, this is Eric and from VOYEEGO Electronics. Today we are installing a BMW i8 cars. We already finished the installation. We can have a look about the display, how it looks. Okay, let's go.
Okay, so this is the BMW i8 installing our 10.25-inch screen here. Now we're in a Carplay page here. Search some, because my phone doesn't have many applications, so you can see it. The Apple CarPlay can be controlled by the original BMW iDrive. For example, I turn iDrive and you move. And what's CarPlay? CarPlay is very convenient when you're driving. Go back to the BMW main. Show more function. This is the menu. My car. Okay, my car here. This is the MBT system. i8. If you want to back to the BMW. Touch the screen back to and show you more. Yeah, this can be finger or by iDrive. App, show more app here. Yes. It's very smooth. This run very smooth. Setting detail, you see some specification info here.
Hello, except the BMW, we also have the Audi, Mercedes-Benz, and the Lexus. And we also have the universal MBT light and the special car MBT light. Amazing display and wonderful car. Please feel free to contact us the price and the product. Thank you.